Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your REDMI Pad 2. So first, what you guys can try is turning on and off the Bluetooth. It works most of the time because of the restart. So let's go to Bluetooth in the settings. Now here, enable it. Now let's disable it and wait a couple of seconds until you enable it again. So keep on waiting. Now after about 5 to 10 seconds you should turn it on, and after that, if your device is still not connecting, then what you guys can do is go to it, for example this one, and go to Unpair and now pair it again. It should help. And if not, then what you guys can try is to restart the tablet. It will basically force the Bluetooth system to restart too. So hold the power button here and the volume up button. Now let's slide down to reboot and wait until our tablet turns on. So I'll see you guys once mine is turned on. So after restarting the device, what you guys can also do is try to get the software update to fix connectivity bugs. So it also might be the connectivity bug between your device and another one. So go to settings. Now in the settings, go to about tablet and now click on the HyperOS right here. It should open a menu telling you that either no updates are available or that an update is available. So make sure you're always running the latest version of your OS. It's very important, as you don't want to have any bugs, and the latest version have less bugs than the oldest ones. So that's why you need to update your software, and that would be it. So I hope this video helped you. If not, then leave a comment, and if it did, then leave a like. And so see you next time.